Okay, this is Module 2, Lesson 16 homework. I'll go through number 1A. I'm only having the students do A, C, and E for homework tonight, but I'll go through A with you. So what it says is to draw place value discs to show your thinking for A and C. You may draw discs on your personal whiteboard for others if necessary. So for A and C are the only ones really just A. They should just be able to represent this visually. Other than that, this is a skill they should already know to be able to multiply these by factors of 10. So if we have 300, we can break that into discs as 1, 2, and 3. And those would each stand for 100. Then if we show that we are going to divide that by 10, when you take these and divide it by 10, each of these becomes 1, 2, 3 tens, which would mean that your new number is 30. And if the students would like to continue doing those for the rest of them, they absolutely may. If they don't need to, then they don't need to. We know that 18,000 divided by 100, it would make that 100 times smaller. So 18,000 divided by 100 is 180. Or here, if we can move on to that. I was going to do math. For 2, they're asked to do B, E, and H, but these are the ones that we need to pull apart a little bit farther in our problems. So, as A is done for you, they've taken 18,000 and divided it by 20. So we're going to pull apart this 20 to make it easier to divide. So we'll go ahead and do this one. We'll do B. 18,000 divided by 200 is like saying 18,000 divided by 100 divided by 2. And I got my 100 and my 2 by taking my 200 and dividing it up into its parts, saying that 200 is like 2 copies of 100. So now if I take 1800 and make that first step of dividing it by 100, I get 180 divided by 2 now. I can't forget to do that. And then I know that 180 divided by 2 is 90. And that's how we're working those problems. And then we go into our word problems. And I will do 4A. Over the course of a year, a tractor trailer commutes 160,000 miles across America. Assuming a trucker changes his tires every 40,000 miles and that he starts with a brand new set of tires, how many sets of tires will he use in a year? Okay, so we could say that if we have 160,000 miles in 1 year, and we know that every 40,000 miles he is going to get a new set of tires, we can divide this by 40,000 to see how many times that 40,000 will go into that 160,000 to be able to find out how many sets of tires he's going to use. So we have 60,000 divided by 10,000 divided by 4. We know that we have 16 divided by 4, which equals 4. And just double check. That way of writing it out linear like that is a really good way to make sure that the students don't miss a step and that they're doing those accurately. And that's how we're doing lesson 16.